come stand around here. Now open.
Eli knows how to open.
Rip it, Eli, rip it.
Good job. Can I try thinking notes for these?
Yes.
What?
You can make it very easy by saying you don't want any.
Keep going.
Open, rip it. Rip it open. Rip.
What's that, Eli? Oh, no.
What is it, Eli?
Did you get some food to play with? Oh. More open. Did you get some food to play with?
More
Eat.
eat. Let's play eat.
It's Happy Hanukkah, Eli.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, that's on videotape, right? I think I know how to open it, though. Me. I think you pull it open. Or not.
They make it very challenging.
I can see that.
Really, very challenging.